Hey folks, if you ever have issues with termite in furnitures that is already finished, painted or varnished, and you see all those little pinholes, that's termite here. That's an infestation of termite. Check this out. All those little pinholes, that's termite. You would see all the droppings, white powdery droppings in the morning. That's termite infestation right there. A good treatment I find that really works is this Bora Care. So how you're gonna do it is pour some of that Bora Care into a container, then you heat up some water in the microwave up to a minute, get it hot. You will take that water, mix it with the Bora Care, stir it pretty good. It's a thick stuff, so it's gonna melt, dissolve in there. And you would use a foam piece of sponge. Make sure to have gloves. And you're just gonna tap that surface. Make sure that stuff goes in all the little pinholes. So what it's gonna do is enter those pinholes and it crystallizes in there and it kills all the termites. Just get it all over the surface and let it dry, and it will kill all the termites. Bora Care. I treated this door frame like 3 years ago, and I haven't seen any termites since. I'm just doing a repeat of the treatment 3 years later, but this stuff really works. And what you would do, the next day you would come, you would see stuff like this, little white stuff on the surface. Just get a damp rag and you just wipe it off. Just wipe it off, that's it. White rag. And just take it all off. I treated all those yesterday. Yeah. So this stuff really works, that Bora Care. It really works. I must add that it has no smell to it. So you could do that treatment while still in the apartment, still living in the unit. Just use the gloves, but it has no smell. Really effective product.